Should you wait for the Galaxy Watch 6 or buy the Galaxy Watch 5 now? This is the question that everyone has in their mind right now. Based on the rumors we've heard so far, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 could be arriving soon. Samsung has gotten into the rhythm of releasing a new smartwatch every summer, so it's pretty safe to say we'll see the Galaxy Watch 6 at the company's Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26. And while that's just a few weeks between now and that product showcase, you might find yourself shopping Prime Day deals or interested in picking up a Samsung smartwatch now. The current gen model is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, and since it's been on the market for nearly a year, it's often on sale. But buyer's remorse is a real thing. The last thing you'd want is to buy a smartwatch only for a newer model with features that interest you to launch shortly after. So should you wait for the Galaxy Watch 6 or pick up a Galaxy Watch 5 now? We've heard quite a few rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. The phone's expected to highlight Galaxy Unpacked, but not much is leaked regarding the Galaxy Watch 6. So far, we've heard that two devices are coming. The sporty-looking Galaxy Watch 6 and the traditional-looking Galaxy Watch 6 Classic complete the physical rotating bezel. Leaked renders suggest the devices will don a larger OLED display than before, while a report from GalaxyClub suggests larger battery capacities are planned for devices that earn certification in South Korea. The only thing Samsung has confirmed in terms of features is that One UI 5 Watch will bring an irregular heart rhythm notification IHRN tool to the upcoming Galaxy Watch devices, and that the company's sleep tracking tech will continue to evolve with the Galaxy Watch 6. These rumored upgrades will certainly be welcomed, but I'm not sure they're worth waiting for if you want to watch right now. The Galaxy Watch 5 remains one of the best smartwatches of the year thanks to a new skin temperature reader, more scratch-resistant display, and a longer-lasting battery life. Though it's not the only Wear OS 3 smartwatch anymore, it's still the top choice for Galaxy smartphone users for connectivity, fitness tracking, safety, and more. While Apple usually phases its previous gen smartwatches out every year, Samsung tends to keep its older wearables in stock, at least at a handful of retailers. You can still buy the Galaxy Watch 4 new, for example. The devices have some staying power and regularly receive software updates with fresh features and security patches. I wouldn't recommend buying the Galaxy Watch 5 at full price so close to the Galaxy Watch 6 launch, but if you see the Galaxy Watch 5 on sale, it's a worthwhile buy. Pair limited Galaxy Watch 6 rumors with Galaxy Watch 5 discounts of over $100, and it's safe to say the 2022 watch is smart investment. It's a flagship smartwatch at a huge discount, and it's just shy of a year old. Luckily, the Galaxy Watch 5 will likely stick around for a bit after the Galaxy Watch 6 is announced. You could wait to be sure of your decision, though there's no guarantee you'll see the same sales that are available now. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup? Are you still waiting for the new one or want to grab the Watch 5? Share your valuable opinions below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.